Good day! I am Angelica Blanco Makatangay, a highly dedicated junior math teacher here in the Philippines with 14 years of experience. I hold Master in Education, major in Educational Management, and a bachelor's degree in Secondary Education, specializing mathematics. Every year, I handle 4 to 5 students where I engage different kinds of learners that enhance my teaching skills and fuel my dedication for my profession. I am a warm and compassionate teacher who values integrity, fairness, and equality. I am committed to provide dynamic and inclusive learning environment by addressing their unique needs through the use of different kinds of innovative strategies. My teaching philosophy is centered on the belief that all students are capable to learning when they are provided sufficient support and effective instruction. For me, as a teacher, teaching mathematics is not just about counting numbers, it is not just about memorizing formulas or demonstrating how to solve complicated equations. It is all about how will you make abstract concepts to become tangible, understandable, and enjoyable for your students. Thank you.